Yeah, folks, if you didn't hear it, uh, Judge Eileen Cannon, one of was it 15 judges that could have been assigned to this? Yeah, she drew the short straw. Uh, so she can be, or right now, she is the assigned judge in this case. And if that name sounds familiar, it's because she was the judge appointed by Trump that really showed a lack of ethics when she took cases she had no business with and ruled blatantly in favor of Trump in a nonsensical ruling. And we should be concerned that she would have anything to do with this case. But the reality is, first of all, there are methods for in Florida. There's methods for removing a judge and replacing them, which Eileen Cannon qualifies for. She was appointed by Trump, and she has already demonstrated. She's recently demonstrated that she can't be trusted in a Trump-related case. But also, what can she do? What could any judge do with any of this information? This is mountains and mountains of information. This is a fire hose of evidence. On top of that, Trump's lawyers quit today. Which ones quit? I don't recall their names, but I am only interested in the fact that he had a bunch of diehard attorneys for him that are abandoning ship. I actually, my family background has given me some insight into this. Not the news. I got a bunch of attorneys in my family, and their complaints at the dinner table were so often this knowing laugh and then jokes about how your clients lie to you. They lie to you. Why would your clients lie to you? Because a lawyer can't knowingly lie to the court. So if you're a defendant and you would rather be in court for your story than for the facts, your lawyer's job is to present the facts in the best possible light. But if you'd rather stick with a lie, you tell that to the lawyer. And the lawyer then tries to operate off of that. I don't recommend you do that. Don't lie to your attorney. That's like lying to your doctor. It does not help you. If you're at the point where you're in a court of law, most likely, folks, it's time to come to Jesus. Tell the truth. A, because it's a separate crime all its own to lie in a court of law. And B, because nobody is as smart as they think they are. Nobody is as sneaky as they think they are. And this is a chunk of the American government whose specialty is in dealing with bullshit. And judges and lawyers and cops and detectives and prosecutors of all stripes see it every day. They are veterans at silly little lies. And most likely, if you're in court, you're new to it. So what do I think happened? I think Trump has been telling his attorneys X, Y, and Z. It turns out now it was A, B, and C. And the attorneys are using this newest development to say, well, we gotta go. This is normal. Don't anybody look at this too closely. But he lied. He lied. I also think that's why Boris Epstein is the guy for Trump. I think that's the person who went to Trump and said, you can lie to me and I'll lie for you. And I think he's the only one that said that. I think all the others were willing to say, I'll be lawful evil, but not chaotic evil. And Epstein, if I were Trump, and I was trying to do Trump's strategy. First of all, if I were Trump, I would do the decent thing and walk out into the ocean. But assuming that that I didn't, what I would do instead is I would get somebody who knows the law to orchestrate properly the folks that are going to follow the law. So I would get somebody who knows the law and is willing to break it to orchestrate those who know the law who aren't willing to break it, and I would make him the leader. And the fact that he isn't an expert in the things they're talking about, that's fine, because he's an expert in knowing what Trump actually did. So my big theory here is just that Boris is the guy who's knowingly helping facilitate crimes. I also think that as of now, that's irrelevant. I think now Trump, because of all of this evidence and because it's so abundantly clear, I think now Trump is going to be able to hire a serious shark who can try to twist this. But I'll tell you, I don't see how you argue any of this. The guy's on tape talking pretty blatantly about what he did. So, folks, this case is going to be fun as hell to watch if you don't like Trump, and probably if you like Trump, pretty enlightening to see. And my question for folks that do like Trump is, as you're watching this evidence unfold, does it match up with what he told you? And if he did lie to his lawyers, do you think he wouldn't lie to you?